Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to share your audio to another set of AirPods. So you're in a situation where you're watching a YouTube video and you're listening to the audio through your own pair of AirPods. Your friend gets interested in the video you're watching and would like to listen in using their own AirPods. So you're wondering if you can share your audio to her or his AirPods or not. So the good news is, yes, you can share your audio to another set of AirPods. To do this, first make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and you're able to listen to audio through your AirPods. Next, bring down your control center. Where it says not playing, you'll see an icon which looks like a half circle and a mountain below it. Tap on it. You'll come to this screen. Down below, you'll see this option to share audio. Tap on it. Now bring another pair of AirPods next to your iPhone. It should recognize the type of AirPods and you'll see it on the screen. Here, tap on Share Audio. Now, using the AirPod case, hold the button at the back of it to start sharing. Hold it for at least 10 seconds, and then once connected, you should see the other set of AirPods listed down below. Now play your favorite media and the audio will be shared to two sets of AirPods. And that is how to share your audio to another set of AirPods on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.